What do you believe? Because you've dug into, the research. What do you believe happened? She threw the engagement ring at him.
I think she broke up with him.
That night.
There is an inquest. There is an inquest in the death of Moses Tembe's daughter. They believed that that daughter was murdered. They believed.
Welcome to Headline Media. In today's video, we're covering the latest on Anele Tembe. A formal inquest into the death of Anele Tembe has been postponed until September. The proceedings were set to begin on Monday at the Cape Town Magistrate's Court. However, the magistrate announced that the matter would be postponed due to an unavoidable medical emergency.
What do you believe? Because you've dug into, the research. What do you believe happened?
I think a terrible mistake happened. Personally, I think that things went out of control. I think there'd been a lot of using, a lot of drinking, a lot of drugging in the paper club amongst the party of people who were there.
You think, or is this from research?
Well, I mean, what do you want me to say? Someone told me this. Yeah, someone told me this, but I'm not telling you who.
That's fine. I just want to know whether
it's not just me going.
Or it's like research, and it's like, okay.
No, it's not thumbsuck. There was a lot of shit going. There was a lot of stuff going down in the paper club that night. I think the two of them were fighting a lot. I think that things got out of control. I know that her engagement ring was thrown back at Kiernan. It says so. Even he said that.
She threw the engagement ring at him.
I think she broke up with him.
That night.
She broke up with him many times, but maybe there was something about that night. I wasn't in the room. So you got to remember, none of us were, and they're both dead. We can only go, maybe this happened.
The matter was referred for a formal inquest after the death of rapper Kiernan, aka Forbes, in 2023. The Tembe family says it hopes the inquest will provide long-awaited answers about the circumstances surrounding her death. Ahead of the proceedings, new text messages have emerged. One exchange is reportedly between AKA and a Tembe family lawyer on the day of an earlier incident at the Hilton Hotel in Durban, where Tembe was reportedly threatening to jump from a building. Another conversation, reportedly between Anele Tembe and AKA, includes messages in which she speaks about attempting to take her own life. In one message, she allegedly warns that if there were a next time, she would do it for good. The Tembe family says these messages raise new questions and has called on the National Prosecuting Authority to investigate alleged differences between the lawyer's affidavit and the contents of the text messages.
I'm sure you'll hear one day that there is an inquest. There is an inquest in the death of Moses Tembe's daughter. Honorable member, police did the investigation and they believed that that daughter was murdered. They believed. They went time and again to the prosecutor for the things to be enrolled. They would say, go back, dot the I's and cross the T's. Until they said, if you can't do it, give us a certificate. I went to the president personally. I said, Mr. President, your Minister of Police is going to do something funny. Is going to support the private prosecution. And the prosecutor refused to give certificate. So he can't prosecute, he can't give certificate. So you're stuck in the middle. But now I know that inquest, the magistrate that is there now is asking the question why this thing was not enrolled, because it's an obvious case. You should ask the prosecutor that did not enroll it in this Western Cape.